Hey guys, so I wanted to try out how the S7 reacts on hot water. So I have my water machine here, my little friend here, and we do know that the S7 seems to be, it seems to be handling pretty well water in normal cold regular water. But what about warm water? Yeah, let's try it out. I mean, I don't know. I'm very interested actually what happens. If something happens, does anything happens? Can the display take it? It's a good question. So let's just put on my friend here. And he's gonna make some warm water. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in this little thing here. And you can hear my friend starting here. And from tests I've been doing with like Easter soda, cola on this phone, it seems to be holding up pretty okay at the moment with the water resistance it should have. I'm just gonna put that one in here. It's not gonna feel good to put hot water on it. I mean, it really is not gonna. It's just gonna feel better, man. Also, if you guys interested, I think this BlackBerry phone might be dead. That I tried in, was it water, I think? I think so. I think it can be dead. Or was it cola? I don't think it was. I think it was water. Oh, it's getting warm, man. I'm not sure how hot these things become, but it's gonna get warm, friends. It's gonna get warm. I think I never tried a phone in hot water, so that can be interesting. Oh, wait a sec, I did try an iPhone 5S once I did try an iPhone 5S I think it was an iPhone 5 in hot tea, and I think it kind of broke the display. So we have, I guess it's like Gorilla Glass 3 or 4. This one is getting warm. Oh no! No! I'm just gonna go pick up some more paper. Oh, this one's gonna get warm, man. Oh. I might need this one. I don't know. Oh, this one is warm. Oh. 4S7 for phone. Ho ho ho. This one is warm. Oh, hot, 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 hot. Okay, it's getting ready, man. Ouch, it's so warm. Battery low. Well, that sucks for you. I think it's starting to bubble now. Oh! This one is warm. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. I think we're gonna do for 3 minutes. Oh my god. That is warm. Huh. Poor phone. Okay. Still, it seems to be okay. But... oh man. How warm does water get? I don't know. I'm not sure why it's getting colored, but that is warm. Let's see if I can push the home button. Your device is overheating. You can only use the phone and contacts. Oh my god, the phone is overheating. Yeah. It should be overheating. Because that is pretty warm. You can only use the phone and contacts. I'm gonna take it out after 1 more minute here. So we're up in 3 minutes. Ho 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 ho. That is warm. Let's see. Soon we can take it out. Still pretty nice to see that it hasn't turned itself off. Okay, 3 minutes. Oh, let's take it out. Whoa, this one is so hot. So I'm just gonna take these. Whoa, this one is so hot. This is insane. I don't even want to touch this phone actually because it's so warm. I think you just need to have it lay down and rest for a while. Huh. Okay. It looks like, yeah, I can't use some apps here at the moment because it's overheating. But from what I can see, it is still alive, which is good. But it's so hot that I don't even want to touch it almost. But yeah, that's what happens when you put it in pretty hot water. So that can be pretty interesting there to know that the display doesn't seem to be cracked. The phone seems to be kind of working, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna start working normal again when it's starting to get a little bit cold again. So yeah, quick video, checking that out. Hope you enjoyed, and have a nice day. Peace.